FUTT-14 is probably our prize additive. This can be used in the gasification process of coal. This is a gasification plant for coal, to turn coal into liquid. When I say turn it into liquid, what we're going for here is take this chunk of coal, like this, and without ever lighting it on fire, without ever letting any of the emissions get the atmosphere, turn it into gasoline, natural gas, or diesel fuel. Our goal is diesel fuel. And what we're proving right now at the University in Kentucky is that we can increase the production to increase the bottom line. Same size plant, more productivity by using our product, FUTT-14. So by using FUTT-14, we can increase what's happening in the gasification industry. This is going to be the cleanest way by far to burn coal, because what you're going to do is make a synthetic biofuel, which is the cleanest biofuel in the world. Now China believes this is true because they're just now made an announcement that they're building 50 gasification plants for coal between now and 2020. That's a real aggressive plan to build that many plants. And these plants are not cheap. They're worth, some of them are in the billions of dollars. But that's not what we've got targeted. We've been working with coal barons, and we've been working with chemists, we've been working with scientists, and what we want to do is use our product, build a smaller version of a gasification plant to fit the geographical area that it's going to. So that you can go to a small coal mine, you can build a gasification plant, instead of having to truck coal up and down the highways and the waterways, you're now moving liquid. A diesel fuel, a clean diesel fuel that can go into the freight company. Example, we do this in, say, Louisa, Kentucky, where we're looking at acquiring a coal mine. We gasify this and turn it into a synthetic biofuel. We sell this biofuel on the docks of New Orleans, FOB, to a freighter service that goes out into the ocean and fuels all the ships that are waiting in line in the Panama Canal. And they'll be using our fuel. The reason is, like I told you on the other tape, there's over 6 countries right now that stop tankers from coming into their port and unloading any freight if they're burning nasty fuel. So as you can see with our 3 products, one for diesel fuel, on-road, off-road, one for bunker fuel and heavy fuel for the ships and for the trains and for your power plants, and one product for gasifying this little rock right here. We pretty much got the market covered on it. Our next trip, Washington, D.C., convince the boys there. Thank you very much for your time.